Good morning, student. I am Devin Chaturvedi, your maths teacher. Today, I am continuing your chapter Lines and Angle. The topic parallel lines and angle made by the transversal. So, student, what are parallel lines? Two lines are said to be parallel if their perpendicular distance between them constant every point. For example, these two lines are said to be parallel. Line L, line M, if the perpendicular distance any point remains same. Some examples of parallel lines are railway track, ladder in your house, edges of blackboard, etc. So student, I am continuing when two parallel lines intersect by another line. So this line is called transversal. What is transversal? A line which passes through two or more lines at different points is called a transversal. This line T intersect line M and M on different points. So this is called transversal, and such two lines are parallel. The symbol of parallel is M parallel N. This is the symbol of parallel lines. So angle made by the transversal on parallel lines, we have to mark on top angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4. Similar on the second intersection point, mark again angle 5, angle 6, angle 7 and angle 8. Student, as earlier I have discussed about the linear pair as well as the vertically opposite angle. So in these angles we have to find the linear pair. So angle 1 and 2 both are on the straight line M made by the transversal at this point. Angle 1 plus angle 2 become 180 degree. So such angles are said to be linear pair. Angle 1 and 2. Similarly, if we take T as a straight line and M is the transversal, you look angle 1 and angle 4 also lie on a straight path, make 180 degree. So angle 1 and 4 both are linear pair. Similarly, angle 3 and 4 on downward of the line M and angle 2 and 3, the sum also 180 degree along with the line T. So such pairs are said to be linear pair. So angle 1 plus angle 2 become 180 degree. Angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degree. Angle 3 plus angle 4 is equal to 180 degree. And angle 4 plus angle 1 is also 180 degree. There are four pairs of which are make 180 degree given here. These are called linear pairs on when transversal cut the line M. Similarly, if the transversal cut the line N at distinct point, four other pairs also make linear pair. Angle 5 plus angle 6 is equal to 180 degree. Angle 6 plus angle 7 is equal to 180 degree. And angle 7 plus angle 8 is equal to 180 degree. And angle 8 plus angle 1 is equal to 180 degree. So these are linear pairs made by a transversal or for two parallel lines. So I hope you will understand the first point of making angle by a transversal on parallel line be linear pair. We have to identify linear pairs. So student, next point of angles, vertically opposite angle. So look here, when transversal T cut M at this point, two pairs of vertically opposite angles are seen. Angle 1 is equal to angle 3 and angle 2 is equal to angle 4. These two pairs are said to be vertically opposite angle when T cut M at a point. Again, when the transversal intersect N at a point here, again two pairs of vertically opposite angles be seen. Angle 5 is equal to angle 7 and angle 6 is equal to angle A. You know all vertically opposite angles are equal, so this equal sign in between the two angles. If the value of 1 is 30, the angle 3 is also 30 degree. Now student, you have to move on main topic. When lines are parallel and a transversal cut these parallel lines to distinct point, the first point of angle making by the parallel line and transversal corresponding angles. What are corresponding angles? Look inside the figure. Angle 1 and angle 5. Corresponding angles are on the same side on transversal. Same side on transversal. Okay, I represent transversal with the small letter T. The same side on T means right hand side or left hand side. Angle 1 is equal to angle 5. These are corresponding angle. This is angle 1 and angle 5 are said to be corresponding angle. Similarly, angle 4 and angle 8 are said to be corresponding angle, and these are equal in value. Angle 2 is equal to angle 6 and angle 3 is equal to angle 7. So there are four pair of corresponding angles are made by a transversal which intersect two parallel lines. So here is a comparatively, when transversal cut M and N, angle 1 is made by the transversal T and line M, and angle 5 is made by the transversal T and line N. On upper side of the main line, similarly on line M, this is angle is also formed on the upper side. Clear? So student, the second pair of angles be co-interior angle. Here is a word interior. Interior means the portion in between two parallel lines. So interior portion is this. So you have to check only these four angles, not excluded, of parallel lines. So what is the relation of co-interior angle? These angles are on the same side of transversal. Angle 4 plus angle 5 is equal to 180 degree. And angle 3 plus angle 6 is equal to 180 degree. So these two angles on the same side but interior portion of the parallel line. So angle 4 plus angle 5 is equal to 180 degree. Similarly, angle 3 plus angle 6 is equal to 180 degree. Because angle 1 and angle 4 make linear pair 180 degree, and angle 1 or angle 5 both are equal by the corresponding angles. That's why angle 4 and angle 5, the sum of the angle 4 and 5 becomes supplementary. So these are the pairs of co-interior angle which sum is 180 degree. Now student, the third and the last point of pairing of angle made by transversal and parallel lines, alternate interior angle. There is also word interior. So again we have to take the interior portion but the opposite side on transversal. One on the left side, other is right side. They are all always equal in value. Angle 3 is equal to angle 5. These are the alternate angle, interior angles, and angle 4 is equal to angle 6. There are two pairs of alternate interior angle made by a transversal and parallel lines. Alternate means one on the upper end and second alternate side of the lower line. So student, I hope you will understand the angle made by the transversal and two parallel lines, corresponding angles, co-interior angles and alternate angles. If all these angles are equal or the sum be 180 degree, then line are said to be parallel. So if you have doubts by solving numerical, we have to discuss in our live classes. Thank you.